Good evening, everybody. It's the Walk Life in the building. It's my last 5-minute one for the day. I don't know if you can see me. Here I go. You see who I got with me? Hey, I'm on my old familiar track. The Rough Rider. Got my roadie. You know how we do it. I don't know why these rabbits always messing with us. I don't know. Let me show you. Sky. Beautiful. See that there? That means come out and get you an evening walk. You know what that means. There you go. Yeah, come out and get an evening walk with me. King. You know. Make sure he all right. I don't know if you can see them rabbits. There's one right there. I'm gonna walk up on him enough to make him run off. Just so you can see him. There you go. Yep, there you go. See us all the time. You really don't run off. Don't skank, King. There my boy. Ain't no wind out this evening. You see that? Wow. You don't think we seen? We see you over there, man. We ain't messing with you. There you go. That's a rabbit. No, we ain't messing with him, King. Let's roll. Yeah, it's a lovely night. All right, y'all, don't get to stopping. It's only a 5-minute one. You know, like I say, I like to walk in the evenings. Let him get his exercise too. You know, that's how we do. Care for our loved ones. That's for sure. Yeah, it's a beautiful night. Beautiful evening. There you go. Nobody out. It's nice and quiet and peaceful. Come on, King. Y'all know this road. This the road to success. If you've been with me, you done lost a few pounds on this street, on this ride right here. This is my everyday ride. There we go. Big boy. Yeah, it's my everyday ride, y'all. Gotta cut through the back way because I don't want nobody. I don't like him around other people. You ain't on that. Y'all know where we at. Cincinnati Ridge. Come on. Come on, King. Let's go. Big pretty. Yeah. Give y'all a little history today while I'm on my walk. So you can check it out. Bruce Field. There you go. Cincinnati finest. Dave Parker. Jimmy Wynn. Our hometown boys in the building right there. All right, y'all. Y'all know where we at. The Youth Academy. Where you at, Kane? All righty. Love coming down here. He be curious about what be inside them bushes. There you go. Come on, big pretty. Yeah, y'all know when y'all go with me, I be going off the beaten path, man. You know how it is. You like to ride. You get a walk life adventure rolling with me, man. You know? Just make sure you keep stepping. There we go. Big pretty. Let's go. There we go. Ooh-wee. Climb a little hill today. It's a rough ride. We made it up to the top now. All right, this is my 5-minute video. Yeah, it's beautiful. All right, Kay. Ooh-wee. Here we go. One love, Mr. Walkman. 5-minute videos, let's go. Peace out.